Now, by now, you know that the ES7 or the new ES7 is a car or a vehicle which is set or which was said to be revealed end of this month of May. So this is the vehicle that of course we've talked a lot about on this channel, because you remember that the deliveries of this model or of this new model are set to start around the Q4 of this year. Now you remember that NIO will be adding 3 new models on their existing models that they are currently selling in the market, which of course, like I said, it is the ET7, which they've started with the deliveries, or they've started selling that car with, and the upcoming ET5, which the deliveries are expected to start around September, and of course with this ES7. Now recently we read some news leaking the photos of the upcoming ES7 model. Now the regulatory filing from the Chinese Ministry of Information Technology just revealed the exterior pictures or photos of this upcoming ES7 model, which NIO was planning to unveil or launch this coming month end of May. So we got to see the ES7 model. So what they are basically, or this report, what the Chinese Ministry of Information Technology, what they are trying to do, they are trying to get input from the public and get their feedback between the 13th and the 19th of May. So these are the cars that are going to be sold in China, and they want to input or feedbacks from the consumers, which is something that, although we were expecting this car to be revealed a month end of May, it is a good thing that we finally got to see the pictures or the sneak peeks of the exterior of this NIO ES7 model. Now, as I've said, this model NIO expect, or it is anticipating to start with the deliveries around the Q4 of this year. So all the Chinese consumers this year will be able to buy this NIO ES7. Now you remember that this model, the CEO of NIO already indicated that it is expected to come and compete with the BMW X5, and to get to see the pictures, I mean, I'm very much excited because it is quite a beauty. As in the screen, you will notice that the pictures are really good. This is a beautiful car. Now this car, of course, it is coming with the latest NT 2.0 platform, which is the latest sort of like software platform that NIO is using for their latest cars. As you know that this platform is being used on the ET5, ET7, and now this ES7. So this is the latest technology, and it is coming with the latest sensors, of course, which is something that of course NIO is having on the ET7 and the ET5, which just simply has to show you that this is a car that will be coming with some latest technology, and which I think, or I definitely think that those comments of those people that were, or some of the consumers that were saying that NIO cars are a bit outdated, it definitely takes away that. And you know that when you look at China, it is a place where a lot of consumers prefer buying, of course, SUVs, as they are considered to be great family cars, or nice family cars. So this just simply means that it will also put NIO to be in demand, even on this new SUV called the ES7. But even those SUV that NIO have been selling, that is your ES6, ES8, and the EC6, you remember that NIO said that they will be also be upgrading those models, installing latest hardware cockpit or digital cockpit, which is something that is incredible, because then it just simply means that those models or old models that NIO was selling, they will be able to upgrade and put some latest hardware in them. And those, of course, that have already bought those old models, they will have an opportunity to come in and upgrade their hardware or their and get to fit the NIO's latest digital cockpit hardware, which is something that is amazing. So this ES7 is one of the models that, of course, I expect it to perform well in terms of deliveries. I expect this model to do very well in terms of sales, which is something that I believe it has to motivate you, because right now, just for the rest of this year or this year, this just definitely means that NIO will be selling total vehicles of around 6. So NIO old models were around 3, and with the ET7 you already know that NEO started delivering that models around end of March 2022, which is this year, and the ET5 is coming in September in terms of deliveries. And getting to know that this one is also coming in the Q4 just definitely means that NEO will be delivering, or before this year ends, NEO will be delivering 6 of their vehicles on a month-to-month, which is something that must just motivate you and shows you of the good things which are ahead for this NEO stock or this NEO company. Now you remember that demand wise on these vehicles, NEO is busy with the upgrades or production upgrades. I've already discussed that with you. Jack NEO, after the second phase upgrades, it is going to have 300,000 vehicle production with double shifts, which of course it is set to finish, or those upgrades are set to finish at the end of the first half of this year, which is something that is incredible. And with a NEO Park, you already know that the production, or the annual production there, is 1 million EVs, which that getting to know that it is going to also start with the production or with the deliveries of the ET5 around September of this year is something that is truly amazing. And you remember that with the ET5, NEO has already came out and confirmed to say that they are still anticipating, or they are planning to start with the deliveries of the ET5 around September of this year, which to me is something that should definitely make you to remain bullish onto this NEO stock. Yes, I know that the share price of this stock is trading very low. I mean, yesterday it closed around $13 per stock, and I posted a Twitter post there indicating that this is a company that I first initially bought in July of 2020, and I never believed that I would see these prices again, and getting to see that those same prices which I was buying NEO with around $12.90 something cents around 2020, we saw them again yesterday in the market, which is something that must just show you that it is offering an opportunity for a retail investor like you and me to probably go in once again and load the boat, because this is a stock which is just set to do very well. NEO is a company but all its fundamentals and its future prospects are just so amazing, and you will definitely be ignorant if you don't take this low trading price as an opportunity for you to load the boat onto this NEO stock. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time we drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in the stock market investing journey. God bless you all.